Today I'm going to be reviewing these precision screwdriver pack from the Dollar Tree. That means they were $1. And I needed to buy them to fix a PS4 controller because the screws are this tiny. And yes, they were cheap, but they didn't strip the screws or anything. And they have a cool feature, which I'll show you. This cool feature is this thing here. It like spins, so when you hold it and you're turning it, it, you know, just turns. Luckily, nothing was broken in here. I'm putting it back together. Much less easy than unscrewing it with these screwdrivers is actually taking it apart, which I hear it's easy to break it. There's a lot of shit in there. This is the most advanced technology I've taken apart. But the trigger was knocked out of place and wouldn't work because I don't know if I tripped over the controller, and either way I took it apart, it fell out. It was really hard to get apart. I kept accidentally turning the PS4 on while trying to take it apart. I ended up having to use one of the other screwdrivers to like wedge into the cracks to get it open just enough because it holds together even when it's unscrewed because there's so much things going on in there. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I'll give these precision screwdrivers 2 thumbs up. Have a good day.